Here is a story that is one of the gems from Indian mythology. You must have heard of Garuda. He's Vishnu's vehicle. Garuda could fly long distances in a short time. Now it so happened that Vishnu had come to see Shiva at Mount Kailasa. He asked Garuda to wait at the entrance for him. So Garuda parked himself outside, resting and waiting. And as he sat there, he was taking in the beauty of the clouds and the mountains. A pretty little bird flew by. Garuda thought, what beauty there is in creation. Wow! Just then, Yama came by riding his buffalo. That was his vehicle. He was on his way to meet Shiva. He too glanced at the pretty little bird, and his glance paused. And he wondered, oh, this bird? Anyway, he shrugged his shoulders and walked into Kailasa. A thought struck Garuda as he watched all this. Oh, Yama, the god of death giving attention to this little bird, can only mean one thing. His time has come. He felt sad for the little bird. But a thought struck him. I can do something about this. I will trick Yama himself. So he spoke to the bird. Little one, I have news for you. Yama is here to take your life. But you know what? There is a rule. The time and place of death are fixed for anybody. So you see, you are supposed to be somewhere near Mount Kailasa for death to happen to you. But I can change that. I have a grand plan in place. So he flew the little bird thousands of miles away. He left the bird on a rock near a stream, and he flew back feeling very good about himself. Yama came out after finishing his meeting and looked around for the bird and smiled to himself. Garuda was a little perplexed and he asked Yama, "Why are you smiling, Yama?" And Yama says, "Garuda, when I walked in, I saw a little bird here and I was surprised that this little bird's death is near, but he is supposed to die on a rock near a stream thousands of miles away from here. So I wondered how such a tiny little bird is going to reach that place, that too in such a short time. But now I know he is exactly where he should be. That's why I smiled." And as Yama was speaking to Garuda, thousands of miles away, a snake caught the pretty little bird who was sitting on the rock near the stream. Garuda was shocked. It was me who took the bird to his death. Ayyo! It was silly of me to think that I could save the bird. This story makes you wonder, doesn't it? Please do leave some of your thoughts, comments, and insights for us in the comment box. Thank you.